Rachel's birthday party. We've all had a little bit to drink.
3, 2. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. So today I'm turning 23.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. I'm with my friend Kaisa.
Hello.
I don't know if you guys remember her from my channel.
Where I admitted my untitled birthday. Her boyfriend's giving me so much crap for that.
So I'm throwing a murder mystery party. And I thought
I should sponsor you for this video because like that's a lot of fun.
And I wanted to take you guys along. I'm turning 23.
23.
And this is my shirt.
It's cute.
Thank you. Your mom knows I'm real. Taking you along. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
It's a good time. You should stay tuned.
Please watch this video.
Give her some legs. She deserves it. Alright.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Now I can just do this.
I heard that Alexis killed Rocky. Roxy, my bad. I didn't know the girl personally. I heard that Roxy Ricks was killed by Alexis.
I didn't hear about Roxy.
And I saw Alexa.
But who really gives a shit? It's Roxy Ricks. Yeah! Drinks on me.
By Roxy. Several people had, everyone was fucking bored.
Yeah, I wasn't.
I believe Sam is a red herring because the murder weapon wasn't a gun. I think he was originally maybe gonna kill, but he got cucked because the inheritance was gonna go to him. But Roxy was killed by someone she didn't expect to kill her.
Ooh. Yeah, what the
She started the rumors that Parker was her brother, so the inheritance, in case she died, would not go to Alexis or Sam, who was actually written out to get in her will the murder.
Thank you.
The money. She had cream on her neck.
She had
cream on her neck.
Do you have jizz on your neck? What is going on?
She was wearing a pearl necklace.
Also,
Not that kind of cream, but it was used probably for sex. Which I say it was kinky. And she was blackmailing Parker for sex. Parker and Alexis both claimed to be at the bathroom at the same time. Parker also claimed to see the murder weapon in the living room. I was in the living room the whole time and never saw the murder weapon.
Also, Alexa.
So who did it?
Also,
Parker!
the sex thing was
was just a
Yo.
thing. She said it wasn't part of the game, and it fucked up everything. That's why I was like, no, I'm not fucking.
Hey, side note.
I just thought it was funny.
Yo, Alexis said he was gonna poison Roxy though.
No, I said the chef was going to.
Okay, everyone, multiple people all had intentions to kill Roxy, but we're talking about who did it first.
Let's
And
just
it
say
wasn't
she's
the
dead and we're
gun,
happy.
It was the strangulation.
Parker did it. Let's drink, everyone.
Did you do it?
No, I didn't.
Oh.
You can't trust the word.
Oh, this is
Okay.
so. It was you, you guys.
Caitlin did it!
Sam.
I think it was her.
Yep, it was her. Sam did
Caitlin,
it.
look at that giggle!
Sam. She did it.
You didn't do it.
Okay.
Are you sure?
Jared, if you do this. The chair.
Don't walk away from me. No, don't walk away from me. Don't you dare walk away from me.
Never, never.
I have nothing,
Nothing.
nothing,
Oh,
nothing. Right.
Didn't we just have a moment? And a moment like that. Some people wait a lifetime for that one special
And because I love you, I'll be thinking of you while I head back on the very next flight. I didn't sign up for this. I'm hoping for
Right here, like this, a lifetime. Wait a whole time. See how that feels.
Search their whole
Yeah.
lifetime. Do you have someone to talk to?
Do you?
We'll help you too for 5 easy payments of $795 a minute.
Love you.
Oh, we have a first caller.
Hi everybody, so I'm back to film an outro and kind of recap of my party and why I planned it, how I planned it, and everything. So essentially I have a December birthday, which means it's really hard to get my friends and family together to celebrate when it's a week essentially before Christmas. So with that being said, I wanted to do a party this year and I was really thinking of the ideas. I really like puzzles and riddles and games, and a lot of my friends and I get together sometimes for game night, so I thought it'd be really fun to turn my birthday party into a game. So that's when I thought of the murder mystery idea, and I found a party kit from my murder mystery that was ugly Christmas sweater theme, which was very fitting for the holiday season, obviously. So it just went really well with everything, and my mom and I spent a long time decorating the house for the holidays and for the party, which was super fun. The setting of the murder mystery was called Snowflake Lodge, so we made a banner and put it across the entryway. You guys would have probably seen that from the previous footage. And we hung beautiful fairy lights over archways and other parts of the house, which was really cool. My sister-in-law ended up being the murderer. No one was harmed or killed in this game, obviously, in real life. But my friend Brooke, who's been one of my closest friends, she's actually in the video Meet My Friend of 7 years. I didn't know she was going to be the victim. My mom did because she read all the clues beforehand, so she would make sure everything went accordingly. So yeah, my friend Brooke was called Roxy Rich. It was a character who was like a rich heiress who had a personal assistant, which was her boyfriend in real life, so that was pretty funny. And she ended up being the victim, and my sister-in-law was the murderer. So it was super fun. I had a really hard time navigating and following and like talking to people and figuring out clues because I kept losing my forensic like note-taking sheet. So I was running around the whole time, filming, carrying multiple things in my hands. but it was super fun. I felt like it went by super quickly. So that's why I'm super thankful I got this footage so I can kind of relive the party and remember those fun memories. It was a really, really fun night, and I'm just so thankful. I feel so blessed with abundance of love and joy from my friends and family. So I want to thank you guys, to those who came to my party, and I want to thank you guys for watching and in a way celebrating my 23rd birthday with me. And I really just want 2020 and the year of being 23 to be a really positive year, despite the obstacles, despite the hardships. So that's kind of my goal this year, is to just stay positive and spread love and help others. I think is really it. And I just, yeah, I feel so blessed and loved. It was super, super fun. I highly recommend it for anyone who is wanting to throw a birthday party. It is a lot of work. You do have to plan it in advance, but it is super worth it. Like, my friends and I had a lot of fun, and I have so many beautiful memories from that, and I think that's it. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a great December. I am really looking forward to making more videos. My super sweet, lovely boyfriend got me a new Canon. He got me a G7X, which was like such a shock to me because I didn't even tell him I wanted it. He had spoken with my mom, and they were talking about things that like I've talked about briefly, and it was just really sweet. So with that being said, I usually film on a DSLR, a really big one that isn't really good for vlogging and more like a lot of footage. I used to use it a lot for fashion photography, so I'm just really thankful to have a vlogging camera. Like, it's pretty cool, so expect videos coming out in the future. I'm really excited, and I hope to just keep doing this. The problem with my DSLR is anytime it autofocuses, it makes a really annoying noise. So I really can't film with it on autofocus, and that's why sometimes my footage is not in focus, because I have to manually set it and then just hope that I'm staying in focus. And the G7X doesn't do that. I'm also a huge Canon fan. I love Canons. Whatever holidays you guys celebrate, I hope you have happy holidays. And I'll definitely be filming before then, I'm sure. I hope to be posting before then, I'm sure I will be, but I just wanted to say that for now. Okay, thanks guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like down below, thumbs it up. I would love that. And subscribe please, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.